money in the world is not ours. And that basically means we are totally dependent on Him. We need to have that mindset.
Kailangan ang mindset po natin, our money is not ours. Steward lang po tayo niyan. Kay God po yan. So ang pinakamaganda natin gawin, we manage it.
Whatever the crisis that you're going, always remember Matthew 6 verse 33. So seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. Pinramis ni Jesus yun sa ating lahat. Hindi lang po sa akin, hindi lang po sa amin sa stage, sa ating lahat yun.
As we go out the doors, siguro we'll have plans for what to do with our money and all. Pero ang importante kasi is yung relationship natin kay God. Because ultimately, if we are not aligned with God, if our families are not aligned with God, no matter what, hindi magpo-prosper yun. It may prosper at the expense of something else. So kailangan talaga, straight talaga tayo kay God. We do not compromise.
There is more. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng part 2! Maiguro! Right!